Happy birthday, Ceci. One of my favorites. That's for sure. So remember that? Anyway, yes, you are. You're my favorite. One of my favorites because all of you are. So anyway, happy birthday to you. May all your wishes be granted. You're very loving and very kind. Ama and Ina are so proud of you and Ruel for taking that role as head of family, your extended family, to your brothers and sisters. It was overwhelming to see that. I know in the past, I've been concentrating on my brothers and sisters, and probably, most probably, also on the daughters and sons of Tita Lori, because I thought that's where it's needed the most. But I'm so glad that I had the opportunity to experience bonding with you all. It was great. It was a great decision to spend time with you guys. And I thank you and Ruel and the rest of the family for welcoming us. Anyway, sending love and hugs to one of my favorite. Love you.
Happy 65th birthday, Ate Cecil. These flowers are for you. Virtual nga lang, but you know how much I love you and thank you for everything that you have done for us. Sabi nila ang mga in-laws daw, mahirap makasundo. Pero that's not the case for you and for your family. Kasi you treated us like your own family and you took care of us, especially nung mamatay na si Mama. Yung masasarap mong luto, yung pag-aruga mo sa amin, hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Especially yung rellenong bangus at saka yung chicken pastel. So, I really appreciate that. Maraming salamat. Pagiging mapasensya mo at mapagtimpi. Siyempre, kanino pa? Kay Kuya Ruel, sa amin, kay Ate Met. Pasensya na kung hindi ka namin na suklian ng pagmamahal na binigay mo sa amin. Pero you know for a fact na talagang mahal ka namin. So I hope na feel mo yung pagmamahal na yan with the people around you and your loved ones, your family and friends. So, happy 65th birthday. I wish I were there, pero you know, mahirap since I'm so far away from you. But you will always be in my heart. I love you. Take care and God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
This is Jason and this is Erica and you know your bogey cousin Edgar. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Hi Cecil! I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Hope you have more years to come. And I heard you're gonna have a big celebration. So that's good. Enjoy while we can, right? Alright, so happy birthday again, and hope to see you when I come home. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Surprise! We are the M-Boys. Happy birthday, Cecil. Happy Cecil.
Hi, Ate. We wish you a happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Tita. Alam ko hindi ka na madadapa dyan sa bundok. Mas lakas pa yung tuhod mo kaysa sa akin. Kaya Ingat palagi. I miss you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Sese.
God bless you. We love you all. Nag-record uli kami to greet you. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. We love you.
Love you all. Take care.
God bless.
Welcome to our new
Home.
here. Tara na dito, Tito Sese. And Tito Ruel.
Magbakasyon na kayo dito.
Hi Cecil, happy birthday. Greetings from PNB London. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in your retirement and all the best for your family life and all the best in everything in your life because you simply deserve it. From the deepest recesses of my heart, I want to say thank you for being there during the time I needed a genuine friend in PNB Singapore. Thank you for the time that you shared with me, for the time that you spent listening to all my cuentos, the all good cuentos and the not all so good cuentos. Cecil is next to my office, so we were partitioned by a glass panel. So our office is like an aquarium in Singapore. Cecil was our cashier and I was then the treasury chief dealer. So we were facing each other. So every time I needed somebody to listen, I just pick up the phone and dial Cecil. So you were always there. Hindi pa uso yung mental health at that time. So you provided a great anchor for my mental health and helped me survive and helped me have a beautiful life in Singapore. And for that, thank you very much and happy birthday.
Hi, Ceci. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Cecil.
Hi, Ate Cecil. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and many years ahead. When are you coming back to visit us? Do you still remember me? Bye.
Hi, Sil. Happy birthday. Miss na kita. When you come here in Singapore, magkita tayo, ha? Dalan mo akong pasalubong. Enjoy the celebrations. God bless.
Hi, Ate Cecil! Surprise! Paano si Ate Cecil as a friend? For me, si Ate Cecil, ate yan sa akin. She is thoughtful and trustworthy as a friend. Fondest memory with Ate Cecil, madami. Kasi siya yung lunchmate ko at saka lagi kami magkasabay pa uwi sa dati nakatira pa sila sa Sembawang. Pero yung fondest memory is pag tuwing sinusundo siya ni Kuya, lagi ako nakikisabay sa kanila. Kahit hindi pa sila uuwi, kakain pa sila sa labas, nakikikain din ako para libre na dinner at saka libre na ride back home. Happy birthday, Ate Cecil! I wish you all the happiness in the world. Most importantly, good health and long life. Ingat kayo palagi ni Kuya. I hope one day makabisit kami dyan sa farm nyo. I miss you, Ate. Hope to see you soon.
Good morning, magandang umaga, and greetings from Guam. Today is May 15 here on Guam, and I know na tomorrow is my wife's birthday, and I always remember na kapag nagbe-birthday si Mrs., yung sumunod na araw ay birthday nung kakambal niya. Yung kamukha niya na parang pinagbiyak sila, lalong-lalo na nung nagtatrabaho pa sila sa Department of Labor. Kala ng mga tao magkapatid sila, and we would like to greet you, Cecile, a happy birthday. And we wish you so well. We pray for good health, long life, and kahit may konting rayuma, naway makalakad pa rin ng maganda and you'll be able to do what you're able to do in the coming years. We pray for longer years, we pray for long life, we pray for happy life. Ano pa ba pwede namin idagdag? Marami, pero naway ang pagpapala ng Panginoon ay mapasa inyong dalawang mag-asawa, especially you, Cecile, as you celebrate your birthday.
Happy birthday, my friend. I wish you the best in life. 65 years old na tayo. Ang daling lumipas ang panahon at tingnan mo kung saan tayo dinala ng ating Panginoon. Nag-abroad ka rin din kayo, tapos kami rin, tapos kayo bumalik sa Pilipinas at binigyan kayo ng magandang buhay ng ating Panginoon dahil sa magandang retirement nyo. Masaya kayo kung saan kayo naroon, na-fulfill yung dream ni Ruel na magka-farm kayo. So, pinagdadasal namin na humaba pa ang ating buhay at maging malusog tayo at pagpalain pa tayo ng matagal at lubos-lubusan ng ating Panginoon. Ingat ka, friend, and we hope to see you in the near future. Baka this next trip namin, baka makadaan kami on our way to our mission trip. So, we really miss you. Miss ko yung mga gala natin noong mga dalaga pa tayo. Pupunta tayo sa Bulacan, sa Cavite, kung saan tayo nakakarating noon. Sana one day makakapag-get together tayo ni na Chief, si Hilda, at saka yung iba pa nating mga office mates. Sayang nga, hindi kami nakauwi ng maaga. Uwi pa lang kami sa June. We really hope to see you and everybody in the future. And again, we wish you the best sa birthday natin. May our heart's desires be granted by our dear Lord. See you soon.